I'm going to start off with this nude one here at the top. I do have a bit of the foundation that I applied on the lids as well as a base. So I'm just going to add this mostly to the top. It's the very nudie shade. And just blend it downwards as a base. I like this color as a brow bone highlight color. I'm just going to add some here in the inner corners along as well to brighten up. I'm going to take this dark brown one. I'm just using a dense brush and placing it here on the outer corner and just blending it into that outer V. I don't really have a matte lighter brown color, so I'm just going to dip into the contour shade, that shaping shade, with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to just blend these edges with that. Just using a brush that has a bit more density for these edges. And then I'm just taking what's left of that dense brush to just deepen up where I lost too much of the depth again. Just swapping between the two brushes as needed. I'm taking that champagne color on a finger. I'm placing it on the inner half of the lid. I like that. So I normally, when I add to the inner half of the lid, I just dab a little bit on this lower corner as well, just to get some shimmer there. And I'm taking copper on the middle of the lid. Oh, I like that color transition. I'm going to line my eyes with the Satin Noir eyeliner from Purèz Cosmetics. Just want to do a bit of a waterline. And just try to smudge it a bit onto the lash line. Just to get that nice, deep, intense color payoff. And I'm just going to add a little bit on the top of the lash as well, or the lid on the close to the lash line, and then here at the outer corner I just like to lift my eyeliner a bit, just to give a bit more of a feminine flair to the eyelid. Just create a slight soft wing, and then here I try to stay close to the lash line. Okay, I'm going to add some mascara and then I'll be back with the final look. And there's our final look. I don't have any highlighter on. I actually have this old eyeshadows from them. I'm gonna just dip a little bit into the white one and see if that can work as a highlighter. Some soft lighting. Went too intensely here. I think that works. And I really like how this nude color highlights the brow bone. I really like the lift it's creating. And overall, I'm very happy with all the items I received in this package. And I like the look that I created with it. I think it's a very pretty, everyday, soft glam type of look. I'm just going to come in a bit closer so you can see what the eyeshadows look like. I like this shimmery shades. The brown is nice. You can get quite some depth with that. I'm happy with the fact that it blended out nicely, and I like the way these colors work together. The colors are very pretty together. Let me know what you think. What are your thoughts on these products? Have you used Purèz products before? Are you considering using them? Because they're really lovely, all natural products that's specifically developed for sensitive skin and sensitive skin issues. So if you tend to get red eyes from eyeliner or have skin conditions, their products are specifically formulated not only to work with it, but to help improve those. And I think that's my overall thoughts. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.